So we're in the second building of Jerash ruins here in Jerash. We're in Jordan right now. So you have these ruins that date back since the birth of Christ. Let us see the materials here. No? Ano bang sinabi dito? We arrived in Jordan yesterday, so this is our first long distance trip. This is South Gate and the city wall. No? This is 4th century AD, after the death of Christ. Bago lang pala talaga sa... Okay. Ang ganda ng blue sky. Oh, kaganda ng kuha dito talaga, oh. Dito, yan, magandang kuha yan. West Souk and Military Barracks. Area at the foot of Temple of Zeus.
One, two, three. One, two, three.
Ayan na.
Okay, bag mo. Dito lang kaya. Dito hapos.
Again, this is the West Souk and Military Barracks. Galing, no? Galing. These are military barracks.